Today we do a demo to show how to learn operate a labeling machine. This is the first of all, let's understand the logic for the labeling machine. The logic is the products, two things. One is the product, the other is labels. Two things meet each other at the right time, at the right place, in the right way. So that means the products coming this way, labels coming this way, meet somewhere here, and label it together. This is the basic logic for the labeling machine. Okay, here you can hear number one factor is good products. Good products means the products coming when it get to the sensor, this product sensor, to check the bottles, the products. When it's get triggered, it just start this labeling machine, labeling motor, to dispense labels. And then here the label sensor to stop the label. So one, start dispensing from this sensor, stop dispensing from this sensor. So once some bad thing happen, no label dispensing, that means this sensor not triggered properly. If not stop, that means this sensor not set properly. Okay, back to the number one factor is the good product. That means every single product when it's under this sensor, all in a stable, consistent situation. So example like this cannot be the left-right position is the important thing. So make sure all guide to this side rail. So these bottles moving along with this side rails, so that the position is stable. So that is the meaning of the good product. Good right product, right sensor, right labels means these labels always dispense properly. We can tell from here, a little bit of flag here. So for labels dispensing, the first thing is label welding. Especially this part, under or through the sensors, it must be come with a good tension, so that the tight, no loosen. Once some loose, it causes this triggered incorrectly, so that causes issues. For this machine, it comes with two sensors. One is a regular sensor. This one is for clear labels. So we put a switch for this one. For paper stickers, we normally use this sensor. You can see it's on. Now we use this sensor. This is the normally we use for clear labels. Let's switch there. We have a switch here. So now this one is off. This one is on. So that's the switch between two sensors, and also on the touch screen it says label sensor number one, label sensor number two. We select the right one for the right labels. Okay. Okay, how to check it's good labels? That means the flag here always the same, consistent. We can check normally when we change to new labels like this. So we come to the menu page. This is the menu page here. Check this one and the label testing. Label testing, we check the labels. Normally is a dispenser. three labels. Three labels, and then you can show the correct label length here. So automatically check the length, and this is the testing. Testing, we check the flag. For some labels, we need to increase or decrease the flag a little bit. We come to this page. Labeling parameter. This page, it called the label flag here. Currently we set 0. If we increase it to 3, okay, we check the flag. Now like this, here on this page, we can press the test. Okay, the flag increased. So we can get it back to 1, make it shorter. Okay, test again. It's shorter. So when we set the labels, we can check this way to see the labels dispensing. It must be always stable like this, consistent. You know, the flag is consistent. Okay, that means that the labels good product, right labels, and then the next one is right place. Like this is the roller type labeling for the round bottles. So we put some manual pattern to control this part, rollers, and we call this one dispenser, this one rollers. So come to menu page, clamp, dispenser. So we can manually check it part. Okay, so this place, right place, normally we move this backward. When we turn the bottles, we move this backward to make sure enough space here, and then clamp this one. Okay, clamp, and then move this inward to get them contact completely, perfectly. We can check this way, it's spinning, this one is also follow spinning. So that means that this is the right position of this roller, so we can log it from here. Okay, see, check the position. This is the right place, you know, with this bottles touch, and just after the peeling blade. So this is the good. That means the good place. And the right timing means the bottles, that means the products and the labels, they just touch each other at the right position, place. That, you know, depends on where the sensor placed. You know, if the sensor is put early, so this one will come early. This will close early. So that means that the timing is not good. The timing, the right time, we need to adjust this sensor, you know, this way or this way to change the timing, earlier or later. So when this move this way, that means this close early. If move this backward, this one close later. So this is the one thing to change the timing. The other thing is product delay. Longer, you know, that means the distance between this sensor and the bottle should be here, and from here to here the distance is around 80 millimeter. So if we increase this one, this will pass this part. If we decrease that one, it will be a little bit early here. So we can adjust the sensor placement, also the product delay to get the right timing for this labeling. The last factor is the angle thing, that means in a right way. So for all the labeling machine, to write things, product and labels meet each other, the right place, right timing, in a right way. That the factors impact the labeling results. Okay, now let's check one by one. We just check the label dispensing. It's good to keep the flag consistent. Okay, let's check on this. Let's check the HMI first. Automatic page. It shows the quantity, production, how many pieces, 1 minute, the quantity, run totally. Manual page, we can check the functions. Like this one, we check the labels testing. Okay, this one we check the conveyor moving. Here, check the clamp, check the dispenser. This clamp and also this dispenser drive by the air cylinder, so we can adjust the speed of the air to change the speed of this cylinder moving. But this also impacted the timing. This one moves slower, it can get the bottle later than the normal speed. Same thing here. So we need to make sure this air set first and then adjust another the conveyor, the speed thing, the delay thing to get it, to make sure everything's good. So like this cylinders, we suggest close gently and open quickly. When it's closed, not too aggressive. Too aggressive, it will push. It cannot touch the bottle where, so then push somewhere. So close a little bit gently, slower, and open must be quicker. Must be quick. Okay. So for this machine, we check the dispenser first. Okay. So on the HMI, this prism system means that this part, this rollers we call prism system, we can switch it off. Leave the dispenser on, and also this labeling off. So that's the switch for some function. This switch functions for labeling. When we switch it off, that means no labeling. We switch this prism system off, no rollers close open. This label position control, this positioning labeling for this machine doesn't have this function, so it's always off. So now we just check the dispenser. Okay, dispenser. When we check this, we normally use a longer time first to make sure no issues with this. So let's go with 1 second first. Okay, then we can check. Now it's running. Our product in. Check the product. This must be good. Align with this, and then it's closed. So you can tell from here it's closed too late. Again, start again. You can tell from here it's closed too late. Okay, so now we can shorten it to here. We can shorten it to 0.3. Check again. Check from here. Okay, still a little bit late. So we can check 0.2. Okay, it's close. It's close. So now we put two product in and check. So to put the following one aggressive, that means we can shorten further. So we can shorten to 0.15. Check again. It's close, almost. So let's get up to 0.14. Okay, check again. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Okay, this is the way to check this is the dispenser thing. Dispenser is the switch is here. The timing is here. This delay time, that means when the sensor triggered, how long after that this close. So that's the delay time to close this one. It cannot too late, because too late it will push this out. It cannot be too early. Too early it will touch this side, this bottle. So it must be right setting. Okay. Now we check this clamp delay. Now check this clamp thing. Switch this on. Same thing. Put this longer. This one. Put this longer. Let's say 1 second. This one actually is when we test this, we put it longer, like it's 1 second. So longer to check. Okay, start. Okay, this is too late, so we shorten it to 0.7. Again. Still a little bit late, so we shorten it to 0.5. Let's see. Okay, this is good. Then we put a 2 to check. Okay, this is good. So this the delay time is, how long this system hold the bottle after labeling. Okay, now we check the dispenser. We check the prism system. We can try the labeling. Okay, switch the labeling on. Labeling on. We can check. For labeling, the speed thing, the label, this speed thing, the speed, it includes the conveyor belt speed, the roller speed, and also the label dispensing speed. 3 speed. The speed here actually it means the roller speed is also the labeling speed. So this is the labeling speed. This conveyor speed for this type, the conveyor speed much slower than this one, so that it can move the bottles steadily and also get a higher labeling speed from here. This label dispensing speed is here. It's called label speed. Label speed. So normally they are same. The roller speed and this label dispensing speed same. Once the speed doesn't match, if this one is higher, it will pull the labels from the web. It pull, you can tell, you know, sometimes the web pulled by this roller. That means that this one is too slow. So we can increase that one to 110 or 120. We just try to get the right speed here. Once this one is faster than the roller, the label we're gonna fold there. Okay. Now we check, put one in, or we check the dispensing label dispensing. See from that side, it's very smoothly dispensed. No pull, no fold. Okay, let's try. If we slow down this one, the label will get pulled from the web. Will be pulled. See, the web is pulled a little bit. See, check again. The labels is pulled from the web. But once is higher, the speed is higher, the labels will get a fold on bottles. Get folded. Okay. See from here. See, it's folded like this. Not tight. If something like this get folded on the bottle, that means that speed is too high. So we should slow it down to the right speed. So that important thing is this roller speed and this label dispense speed must be perfectly matched. If perfectly matched, the labeling result will be good. Okay, we check. So now dispense set, this prism system set, and the labeling, we check the speed. For this type machine, the conveyor speed is not that much impacted the labeling quantity. So normally this is the roller speed is the key thing. Okay, when everything is set, we can try. Okay. So make sure all the bottle, the guide to against this rail, and then dispense. We just set this one longer, so we put it back to 0.5. So that you can tell from now, it can release this quicker than. This one is a release open very quick. Okay, so this is how we do adjusting to this part. Another things we need to explain is one is HMI. HMI, this is the automatic page. Okay, this manual page. If we must check this one to make sure this can work properly. If cannot, if we didn't do this way, it just dispense one labels. So if we need to calculate for the new, we change it to new labels, we must do this way, you know, so that we can dispense 2-3 labels. Okay. A little bit difference here is okay, no problem. Okay, this one, the other this I/O port. Ports. Okay, this is the we have explained here. This is the switch on off. If we need something on, we must turn it on. And this clamp delay is from the sensor trigger to this close the distance. So this is the how long after the label is completely out, and after how long this one open. This is the thing. Function label display. Okay, this is the recipe. Now we save two. So this one we call the high speed. This one called normal speed. So if we need to run this one, we just download. Now we save two. Save at another one. 2 inch. 2 inch. 8 meter speed. That means the camera speed. Okay, we save. Now we saved at recipe number 3. So now we need to check number 2. We just number 1. We just select this one, download. You can tell the things change from here. Download. This is the higher one. Let's check this one. So it changed to another recipe. This is the how we use the HMI. Another factor normally impact the labeling is this sensor. We need to check the sensor, set the sensor, check the products or check the labels properly. This one is a reflect type sensor. So two cables, one send in send light, the other receive light. See from here. This is the sensor. Is triggered. So no products is off. This is the number received. This is the number we set. Once this bigger than this one, something got triggered. So here we need to set this sensor properly by actually very simple. Just increase this green number by long press on, or decrease this one by long press off. So this is a very simple thing. This one thing, we can get two different numbers. One is from labels, the other one from the backing paper from the web. Normally from the web, this sensor different from the reflect type. This one is one label sending from this side, the other one receive from this side. So it's through these labels. So it always get a bigger number from the backing, smaller number from labels. We have another video to specially explain how to set this sensor thing. Okay. Another thing is this angle thing. Sometimes if this front end and the back end, the height different, we can adjust this labeling head a little bit so that the front end get lower or get higher to make the whole labels flush. Okay. 好了。